And the conclusion of chapter 1, let's look at a case of the improving the productivity at Starbucks. And this is basically just showing how they've saved quite a bit of money by just doing small operational changes. So they have a team of 10 analysts that are continually looking at ways to shave time because time is money. And here are some of the improvements. If they have a credit card and the purchase is under $25, they say that we no longer require signature. What does that do? That saves 8 seconds per transaction. Now, I just want to point out, 8 seconds doesn't sound like a lot, but when you look at just the vast quantity of transactions that happen, 8 seconds begins to add up. So they've changed the size of the ice scoop. So instead of having to do 2 scoops, they do 1. That saves 14 seconds per drink. And they got new espresso machines. It made the burnt tasting coffee even faster to make, saving 12 seconds per shot. So that sounds great. Okay, well, we have all these really small changes. What does that do in the long run? Why are we even bothering? Who cares if we're saving 8 seconds a transaction or 14 seconds a drink? So those operations improvements increase the yearly revenue per outlet. So each and every little Starbucks that you go to by between $250,000 and $1 million a year. And so that means productivity is improved by about 27% or about 4.5% a year. Once again, for a lot of people, this is the important number, $250 to $1 million of revenue increase per year. If we go back, based on these small little changes. So it's just a way to kind of reinforce of what operations can do for your business and why companies spend so much time and effort looking into ways of making things more efficient. And it's all about saving money. If you save money, that means that you make more money. That makes, if it's a company on the stock market, it makes the stock market happy. Stock prices go up. If it's a privately owned company, you know, the people that own the company make more money, and hopefully that means that it flows to higher wages to the employees. But once again, this is just a quick little example of why operations is important for a company.